In this video, we will derive the formula for compound interest. Here we will explain a little bit the notation, and they are this here denoted by R and percentage is the interest rate. A0 is the initial amount of money that you put into your bank account, and AN is the amount of money after n years. How can we prove this formula? We will use proof by induction. So for the first year we have the initial amount plus having the interest rate component, so R percent times A0. All right. Well, we can get A0, the initial amount, to be a common factor, so it's 1 plus R percentage A0. Okay, now for the second year we have the amount resulting from the first year plus the interest rate. Again, I can write a little bit more handy like this, and of course I know that A1 I can do substitution using this expression, so I will get 1 plus R percentage squared A0. For the third year I have the amount from the second year plus the interest rate, so this should be 1 plus R percentage A2. So from here I substitute and I get 1 plus R to the power of 3 A0. Now I continue, and by induction I have the following: that A after n years is one plus R percentage to the power of n times A0. This is my formula. So if I want to find what would be the amount that I get if I withdraw the money from the bank account after n years, I have to take this quantity, calculate to the power of n, times A0, which is the initial amount of money that I first put into the bank account.